to all the worthy guests for making it to this ceremony and making it even more momentous. Ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Jubilee celebration of Mirage Aircraft and Color Award ceremony of number 22 and number 27 squad. This occasion is not only significant, but is also very historic, and it will go into the chronicles of Pakistan Air Force. Let me remind you that we intended to hold and celebrate this Golden Jubilee celebration and the Color Award ceremony back in March 2019, I stand corrected. But because of Operation Swift Retort, we could not hold this ceremony. And later, the same year, which was 50 years of Mirages, we still intended to hold the ceremony. But unfortunately, unrelenting and inclement weather didn't allow us to hold the ceremony. Praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then comes the COVID-19 pandemic, and it was a very difficult proposition to hold this ceremony. But I think it's a God-gifted opportunity to celebrate it this afternoon. You have seen and witnessed some of the glimpses. Let me go over them, a few. Sharing the historical background, the first batch of 24 Mirages were inducted in 1968. Since then, for over half a century, the aircraft has remained the mainstay of Pakistan Air Force operational punch, a complement to Pakistan Air Force resilience and the skill of our human resource. Today, it is the second largest fighter fleet of Pakistan Air Force, with aircraft 301 of the first batch, alhamdulillah, still flying. Certainly, the contribution of Mirage fleet in war and conflicts are commendable. Over the years, the aircraft has amply demonstrated the capability in 1971 war, the 2-decade-long war on terror, and recently the Operation Swift Retort. I acknowledge the vision of our predecessors for keeping the aircraft abreast to meet the challenges of modern warfare through consecutive upgradation. In this regard, establishment of Mirage Rebuild Factory was a step forward in the direction. Over the years, Mirage Rebuild Factory has evolved into the center of excellence for maintaining, repairing, and overhauling Mirage aircraft. With a number of internationally acclaimed quality certifications and endorsements to its credit, MRF today is trusted by leading aviation industries and air forces of the world for provision of technical assistance. The dream of rebuilding came true with the rollout of first Mirage aircraft in 1980, which totals more than 300 today, alhamdulillah. This surely has perceived through the foresightedness and long-term planning of our elders and was accomplished by the hard work and dedication of PF engineers and technicians. I avail this opportunity to acknowledge the continued support of our foreign dignitaries who are present here with us to celebrate this 50 years anniversary. Without their continued support from original equipment manufacturer, it would not have been possible. Pakistan Air Force is the last of the air forces in the world operating this Mirage weapon system, and I am indebted to you, my friends, coming across the globe for this support. Retention of aging Mirage fleet beyond 50 years is a testimony to this fact and acclaim for the PF operators and maintainers. On this occasion, I appreciate the untiring efforts of my pilots, engineers, technicians, and log support elements in ensuring the serviceability, reliability, and upgradation of Mirages. I also commend the devotion, dedication, and remarkable contributions of our Shodas and veterans of PF Mirage fleet. We highly value their unparalleled sacrifices and services for Pakistan Air Force, as indeed this nation. I am thankful to His Excellency Dr. Arif Alvi, President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and all the worthy guests for being with us today on this very significant and historical occasion. I thank you all. Pakistan Air Force Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad.